It's evening. Yeah, as usual clients again, and the participant told me how do you convince someone about online, adding a business online in Google. Really, it has been something that has not been easy for us to do. That whenever we go to the field and get this person you're trying to tell to add a business online, we always have a lot of questions. Most of them think you have come to collect tax from them, just here or URA, something like that. But at least you have to show that you are not a tax collector. And they also ask you, why is it that this service is for free, yet it is worth paying? So you should be able to convince them that actually Google is providing this for free. They will ask you so many questions, how they get. So let me take you through on how to answer some of these questions. And like, taking experience on my side, I one time went and started looking for pharmacies and clinics around the add because I knew most of the things people always face when they are sick, they fail to get where to treat themselves or to go and buy some painkillers for themselves. At times a car can be spoiled on the way and you don't know where the garage is around, or it's so dirty you don't know where to wash it from, any washing day around. So when you go there to pick their businesses so that they are registered. So in most cases, I advise you to go with a phone having internet. You must have internet at least to convince them. An example, you can type anything, a business registered online. Let's see if I type maybe restaurants, maybe near me. You see, currently I'm in Kawempe, but if you looked at this, these are the restaurant data that I can actually see within Kampala that are added on Google Maps. And you can actually try to tell this guy, you come and click on the maps. Try to tell that person that if your restaurant was also added, it is easier for a new person who has just come to Kampala or to this new area to see some of these restaurants that are around that I can branch to each. And maybe I've picked interest maybe in this one. It can show me a location up to this. It can show me actually where it is located. And this information actually can make me reach there. I can see the direction and contacts here. And I can see some photos that can tell me actually it's a good one. It's a good restaurant. So if I click on the directions, maybe assume I'm in, let's say one again. And I want to get into that restaurant. So it can show me the direction to that restaurant and I'll be able to reach there and have my food to go. So that is how to go. This is found where in the complex, I think, yeah. So this is how actually you can convince the person the advantage of putting a business online. And you have to tell a person that all businesses are what? Their world is turning digital. Right from the time the world started, we got to know that these devices weren't there. They were not there. The phones and all that. We used to have telephones, those big phones that were installed on walls and streets. But as time went on, actually, you can see how technology has changed. Meaning, in the next 5-10 years ahead, these offline businesses may not work because now everyone is running online. And as you can see, the internet life statistics also in the world now. You get that everyone is dying for what? For internet. Everyone is dying to buy a smart device to be online, by the way. And you can see the internet users out of the 7 billion people, 4.5 are searching right now. So there are so many searches online done every day. So you can see the Google search. So the 817 million current right now are searching in Google. So you should tell people the trend, what's happening right now. As you can see then, and taking an example of what they are seeing, like Safeboard is still using Google Maps to communicate to such a customer. Still implementing Google Maps. So if these places are not added on Google Maps, meaning such businesses will not work. So we need to add our businesses so that we get new customers, we advertise what we have, okay, show where we are located and all that. So I will not be able to call brokers to tell me where some of these bays are located. Just need to go on Google and search. So as you can see, there's so many people using internet right now. And the data being spent per day, you can see this is too much traffic per day. Now, if somebody asks you how does Google get, how they earn by putting this online for free. Remember, every search performed, data is being spent. But data has never been for free. You get, and it's not on the customer side. So we need to put all our businesses online. And that is a brief summary of how really we like to tell somebody the importance of putting a business online. And also, you need also to look genuine. At least if you can get a t-shirt labeled Google GMD, if somebody can trust you a little bit with that information. And also the information you're looking from that person is mostly not very important information, because the business name, email, phone number, and the geocode are actually that information. It's not like you're asking somebody the certificate of registration for the business. That is just basic information. So most businesses have it in their signposts already. So you have to just go and pick it, but you need to find permission from the owner. But you can try to be as cunning as you can to pick information from them. That's why we trust you that you will reach the owner of the business and talk to the owner, explain to him everything. Thank you.